Okay, here we are on the last chapter of this textbook, chapter 12, and in many ways it's the culminating chapter that everything that we've talked about so far leads into the idea of communication climates. So let's take a look. What exactly is a communication climate? In a previous textbook, they went on and on about, they made the comparison between relationships and weather, and wow, was it overdone. So basically, let's think about communication climate is the social tone of a relationship. In other words, the way the people feel about each other and the way they treat each other. So as we go through this, pretty much as we go through the rest of the chapter, what I want you to do is think about two relationships that you are currently in that are different, where one is warm and sunny, we're using the weather analogies, and another is cold, or maybe it's stormy. Or you can think about a relationship that you have with a person where sometimes it is warm and sunny and other times it's stormy or cold, because this will make a lot more sense if you can actually apply it to what's going on. So every relationship that you're in has a unique climate, communication climate, whether it's a friendship, a romance, a family relationship, a workplace relationship, a relationship in the classroom. And sometimes you can even talk about the entire climate of your workplace, or the entire climate of your class, or your family, because you might have, you have different relationships with the various members of the family. I'm just thinking about, people have been writing a lot about how they're interacting with their family, and you might interact well with one of your siblings, but when the whole family is together, it's a different climate. Okay, so it's also important to realize that climates are shared by everyone involved, which means that it's very unlikely that you're saying, wow, our relationship is great, things are wonderful, and the other person is saying we have problems. That does happen, but mostly we're on the same page with this. And I can't even read my own handwriting. So an important thing to realize about communication climates is that these climates can change, and mostly they change because we work at it. So this is the first section. So what I'm going to do is stop it right there. Oh, no, yeah, and then I will do the second one in just a bit.